A.
Piss take.
Production.
While I'm here, I'm going to throw the rear NiceCNC rack on the bike. Tools is T45 to remove the stock OEM plastic carry plate. So, hopefully it doesn't fall off, or is it going to fall as soon as I remove this bolt? And it's going to fall, I betcha. Okay, so that's how it all looks. So, okay, so this carry plate and some spacers. The worst thing is you don't really get instructions. Let's get rid of the handles. Now these spacers, you get a larger, say 15 mil versus a 10 mil. Now that's a guess for the size. Question is, do you run the two, say 15 mil spacers? So all four of the larger spacers. Nice bit of kit really. I think NiceCNC have come a long way. Just going to play the game guess the bolt. We'll test fit, because that's how we roll. I'm just going to get it right. So the first bolt is 45 mil long, and that goes in this position. Drop a Loctite. The second bolt is 35. Now you only have to go these at hand tight. You don't have to overdo them. As long as the Loctite binds with the bolt. And that's how it looks. Now with the NiceCNC rack installed on the bike, I'm going to test fit a US10 Kriega bag. So how this is going to work. Feed it through, hook it on. So good so far. And that's how it looks with a simple tail bag.